Hey everyone! Ever wondered what that cool little device called the Nintendo Switch is all about? Well, imagine a video game console that's super versatile. It's both a handheld gadget and a home console, all rolled into one. First off, it's a portable powerhouse. You can simply pick it up and boom, it's like a powerful gaming tablet. Perfect for gaming on the go, whether you're on a long trip, commuting, or just chilling in your backyard. But wait, there's more. Get home, slide it into its dock, and magically your game pops up on your big screen TV. Now you're playing your favorite games from the comfort of your couch, just like a traditional home console. And for even more flexibility, there's tabletop mode. Just flip out the kickstand on the back of the Switch, detach the controllers, and you can play with a friend anywhere, on a table, a desk, or even on a plane. Speaking of controllers, those colorful things on the side are called Joy-Cons. They can stay attached for handheld play or detach for solo or multiplayer fun. Each Joy-Con even works as a mini controller, perfect for quick two-player games. And the games? Oh, the games! From epic adventures like Zelda, to fun party games like Mario Kart, to creative worlds like Animal Crossing, there's something for everyone. Plus, you can download digital games or buy physical game cartridges. So, in a nutshell, the Nintendo Switch is a super adaptable, fun, and family-friendly gaming system that lets you play wherever, whenever, and however you want. It's truly gaming on your terms. Subscribe for more fun facts.